Hello friends, today we are discussing a situation essay that appeared in Feb 2016 in Singapore. This is a cause and solution essay and the topic is neglect of cultural heritage. First let's read the question. Nowadays many historic buildings receive lack of preservation treatment, with some buildings being damaged or even destroyed. Why is this happening? What can be done to change this situation? Let's move towards the answer. First, the introduction paragraph. The structure remains the same. First, we paraphrase the question and then provide an essay plan. Many celebrated buildings of earlier times are in a dilapidated state owing to the absence of conservation procedures that should have been employed for their upkeep. There are various reasons that have caused the prevailing circumstances, although some measures can be followed to avoid further degrading of these precious historical structures. Now moving on to the body paragraph, first with the first supporting paragraph. Here we present the first cause, that is the careless attitude of government and government staff towards preservation, and later we provide a solution of higher resource allocation in the annual budget by the government. Primary reason for the present condition of old monuments is the lackadaisical attitude of government machinery towards preservation. This is because of shortage of resource allocation for the maintenance of historical assets from the state. In India, the Ministry of Culture gets a very low annual budget allocation and department officials are also designated with multiple duties, and this is the reason preservation task takes a back seat. In order to overcome this state of plight, there is a need for higher budget allocations to convert these sites into museums and ultimately make them self-reliant until they can support their own maintenance themselves. Now moving on to the second body paragraph, which is our supporting paragraph 2. Here we give the second cause, that is the decline in public interest, and then we provide a solution, that is to start promotion campaigns to support these sites. Secondly, with the advancement in new means of entertainment, there is a marked decline in public interest towards cultural heritage site visits. Numerous television channels with day and night coverage of various stories on wide-ranging subjects, ultra-modern amusement parks and stylish shopping centers leave very less remaining for the fancy of the audience to fulfill. Promotion campaigns highlighting the historical importance of these sites undertaken by non-government organizations might prove helpful in reigniting the public interest towards the ignored legacy. Now we move on to the conclusion paragraph. Here we just give a restatement of the main points of the essay. Clearly, the conservation task has been getting a lower priority on state's agenda, and lower public interest on account of growth of new entertainment avenues has resulted in the plight of old structures. To recover from this situation, there is a need for improved government support in terms of higher resource allocation and publicity support by non-government institutions. Now let's have a look at the vocabulary words. Here celebrated in the introduction paragraph means famous, dilapidated means damaged, conservation means preservation. In the supporting paragraph 1, the lackadaisical means without enthusiasm, plight means unfortunate condition. So that's it friends. Thank you for listening to my essay. Hope you like it. You can subscribe to my channel for more such essays. Thanks.